During a month, Morgan ran R miles at 5 miles per hour. So I'm gonna just annotate that this is a distance and this is a speed, 5 miles per hour. And he biked B miles. So this is a biking, that's a running. So two different modes of transportation. So this is distance again, because we have a unit of miles. And 10 miles per hour, that's just unit for speed. So I'm gonna actually use a different color for that. Okay. Alright, so that's biking. And the running, I'll just make it all red. She ran and biked total of 200 miles that month. So that's a combo of running and biking. And she biked for twice as many hours as she ran. Okay, so that's another important information, that she biked twice many hours as she ran. So biking is more. So what is the total number of miles that Morgan biked during that month? Okay, so total number of miles biked. So let's organize our data, because this is like all disarray. So I'm gonna say that the Morgan ran and Morgan biked. And it's good to remember the formula that speed times time is equal to distance. Okay, so let's plug it in one at a time. So for Morgan, he ran at what speed? 5 miles per hour. He ran R miles. He biked B miles for 10 miles per hour. And she ran and biked a total of 200 miles. So that means this 200 will go here. When you add these up, you're gonna get 200. She biked for twice as many hours as she ran. Okay, so we're talking about the duration that she biked, and that's twice as much. Okay, so we'll say 2. Let's say t here and then 2t. Okay, I think we got everything we need. So let's figure out. In the top equation, we're gonna get 5tr, 5t equals r. And the bottom equation, we have 10 times, okay, remember it's times here. 10 times 2t is 20t. 20t is equal to b. Okay. So what we need to do is, okay, we have like 3 equations here. R plus b equals 200, and 5t equals r, and 20t equals b. So what can we do here? Okay, what we can do is just plug it in 5t where r is, and plug it in 20t where b is. So this way we have an equation in terms of r, in terms of t. So 5t plus 20t is equal to 200. Okay, simply substituting 20t where b is and 5t where r is going to work. So 20t plus 5t are like terms, so you get 25t equals 200, and t is equal to 200 over 25. And I believe that's 8. Okay, what are they asking? They're asking total number of miles. So in other words, we are interested in actually no, my bad. We are interested in B. We're interested in that. So once we plug it in that t equals 8 from previous calculation, let's just plug it in. So t equals 8. So 10, okay, 10 times 2 times 8 is equal to b. So 10 times 16 is B, and B has to be 160. So during this month, Morgan biked 160 miles. And therefore the correct answer is D.